But yeah, let's jump into SIMULIA. We've seen
Yeah,
enough
this is
SolidWorks, do it on there. We'll
that sounds
we'll
good.
call
This
it
is
a
the
good
stuff
time.
I want to see.
Yeah.
Just because we have less content out there on it. So having a look at the world of Simuli, I think is interesting for everybody. And I always note to folks that this is a locally installed software as well. For all your sim setup, whether you solve on the cloud or not, it's locally installed. The 3D experience portion in between it takes care of our data management. So you can save this in a 3D experience, open it in the other software. If you go, hey, I want to go back and make a CAD model change, no problem. Just open it up in SolidWorks, change it, flip back over to your sim software, and update the changes there.
Exactly, and I want to point that out, especially for people that aren't familiar with SIMULIA or seen some of the other videos on there with it. It's like, hey, you get this like killer solver with your Abaqus solver behind the scenes there with SIMULIA, but you're still connected to your CAD environment of what it's doing. Now it's not in the same UI that we have here in SolidWorks, but having that connection, it's like, hey, I don't have to re-export my step file, import, do it on there. Is like, oh, it is so nice on it there, and so even just to show the connection. And actually I could probably just do on that one there, but so I guess within your SolidWorks environment that you even start your Simulia study. So it's like it's integrated in there. And so if I was starting a brand new study from this one here, I just click on my environment that's already kind of saved and done what it needs to do behind the scenes. I don't even know exactly what it does behind the scenes, but it works. So,
That's such a good point to point out to SolidWorks users. You actually don't ever have to use a web browser. For like all of the
yeah,
stuff you do with 3D Experience, with data management simulation, you could just do everything here in SolidWorks and in your sim tool, and like you never actually have to hit the web.
exactly. Usually I'll go to the web just to launch the softwares from there. Just make sure it's logged in. Make sure things are connected there. But really, you don't have to. It's like, hey, if you can log into a web browser and click a couple buttons, I think then you can just do everything in your UI. So it's nice because there's a lot of capabilities there with the
Yeah, I
with
mean,
kind of the data management there, but you don't have to really understand it to do the sim.